environment, he returned to the Vienna. This is Ed Fletcher in Vienna.
Take 2, Q Howard.
I don't have to tell you things are bad. Everybody knows things are bad. It's a depression. Everybody's out of work or scared of losing their job. A dollar buys a nickel's worth. Banks are going bust. Shopkeepers keep a gun under the counter. Punks are running wild in the street, and there's nobody anywhere who seems to know what to do, and there's no end to it. We know the air is unfit to breathe, and our food is unfit to eat. We sit watching our TVs while some local newscaster tells us that today we had 15 homicides and 63 violent crimes, as if that's the way it's supposed to be. We know things are bad, worse than bad. They're crazy. It's like everything everywhere is going crazy, so we don't go out anymore. We sit in the house, and slowly the world we're living in is getting smaller, and all we say is, please, at least leave us alone in our living rooms. Let me have my toaster and my TV and my steel-belted radios, and I won't say anything. Just leave us alone. Well, I'm not going to leave you alone. I want you to get mad. I don't want you to protest. I don't want you to riot. I don't want you to write to your congressman because I wouldn't know what to tell you to write. I don't know what to do about the depression and the inflation and the Russians and the crying in the street. All I know is that first, you've got to get mad. You've got to say, I'm a human being. God damn it. My life has value. So, I want you to get up now. I want all of you to get up out of your chairs. I want you to get up right now and go to the window, open it, and stick your head out and yell, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore. I want you to get up right now. Get up, go to your windows, open them, and stick your head out and yell, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore. Things have got to change.
How many stations does this go
on? You've got to get mad. You've got to say,
I know it goes to Louisville and Atlanta.
I'm not going to take this anymore. Then we'll figure out what to do about the depression and the inflation and the oil crisis. But first, get up out of your chairs, open the window, stick your head out and yell, and say, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore.
Who are you talking to, Pat?
CGG Atlanta.
Are they yelling in Atlanta?
Are they yelling in Atlanta, Ted?
But first, you've got to get mad. You've got to say, I'm as mad as hell, and I'm not going to take this anymore.
They're yelling in Baton Rouge.
Get up out of your...
Son of a bitch! We struck the mother blow!
Stick your head out of the window, open it, and stick your head out and keep yelling and yell, I'm as mad as hell. I'm not going to take this anymore. Just get up from your chairs right now. Go to
What
the
are you
window.
doing? I want to see
Everybody
who's
just go to the
yelling.
window, open it, and stick your head out and yell and keep yelling.
So that is a famous scene from the movie
I heard
Network.
that he had asked.
Yeah, the movie Network. Famous movie. Another quote that guy says, if I can ad-lib it kind of, is when the world's fourth largest corporation owns all the network media, who knows what kind of trash will be peddled as truth on this network. Do I have a point? Yeah. what point did we allow ourselves to be led like a mule by people like Pelosi and Schumer and not get mad about it? I don't know. I've always been mad about it. I never did take that stuff at all. I just wanted to share that. Oh, in the end of that movie, it's all about ratings, you find. They pretty much abuse that guy who's had like a psychological breakdown and is willing to throw away his career. And to tell the truth, they exploit him and then they end up shooting him on live TV just for ratings. Network.
Good, sir. Something rather interesting's just cropped up. Listen to that. Music. It's civilian broadcasting. I think those fellows in the Pentagon are giving us some sort of exercise to test our readiness. Personally, I think it's taking things a bit too far. Our fellows will be inside Russian radar cover in about 20 minutes. Listen to that. Trouble about police stations. All churning it out.
Mandrake,
Yes, sir?
I thought I issued instructions for all radios on this base to be impounded.
Well, you did indeed, sir, and I was in the process of impounding them very wide when I happened to switch it on. I thought to myself, our fellows hitting Russian radar cover in 20 minutes, stopping all that stuff. I'd better tell you, because if they do, it'll cause a bit of a sting, huh?
Sir, Captain, the officer exchange program does not give you any special prerogatives to question my orders.
I realize that, sir, but I thought you'd be rather pleased to hear the news. And after all, let's face it, we don't want to start a nuclear war unless we really have to, do we?
Please sit down and turn that thing off.
Yes, sir. What about the planes, sir? Surely we must issue the recall code immediately.
Sir, Captain, the planes are not going to be recalled. My attack orders have been issued and the orders stand.
Well, if you'll excuse me saying so, sir, that would be, from my way of thinking, rather an odd way of looking at it. You see, if a Russian attack was in progress, we would certainly not be hearing civilian broadcast.
Are you certain of that, Mandrake?
That's not positive.
And what if it is true?
Well, I'm afraid I'm still not with you, sir, because, I mean, if a Russian attack was not in progress, then your use of Plan R, in fact, your order to the entire wing, I would say, sir, that there was something dreadfully wrong somewhere.
Now, why don't you just take it easy, Group Captain? And please make me a drink of grain alcohol and rainwater and help yourself to whatever you like.
Colonel Rivers, sir, as an officer in Her Majesty's Air Force, it is my clear duty, under the present circumstances, to issue the recall code upon my own authority and bring back the wing. You can't excuse me, sir. I'm afraid, sir, I've asked you for the key and the recall code. Have you got them handy, sir?
I told you to take it easy, Group Captain. There's nothing anybody can do about this thing now. I'm the only person who knows the three-letter code group.
Then I must insist, sir, that you give them to me. Do I take it, sir, that you are threatening a brother officer with a gun?
Mandrake, I suppose it never occurred to you that while we're chatting here so enjoyably, a decision is being made by the President and the Joint Chiefs in the war room at the Pentagon. And when they realized there was no possibility of recalling the wing, there will be only one course of action open. Total commitment. Mandrake, do you recall what Clemenceau once said about war?
No, I didn't think I knew that, yeah.
He said war was too important to be left to the generals. When he said that, 50 years ago, he might have been right. But today, war is too important to be left to politicians. They have neither the time, the training, or the inclination for strategic thought. I can no longer sit back and allow communist infiltration, communist indoctrination, communist subversion, and the international communist conspiracy to sap and impurify all of our precious bodily fluids.
How many people have laughed about that line? Precious bodily fluids. I don't know. Maybe we should do a poll. How many people thought that that was funny? I never did. You know, when you look at this movie here, Dr. Strangelove, Stanley Kubrick movie made, I don't know, in the 60s? Don't know. This guy, General Ripper, is seen as an abject psychopath who's totally lost his marbles. And he is. But fast forward to 2020. It's not the Russians. It's the Chinese communists. And they have sapped and impurified the world's precious bodily fluids with this flu. So just a little something for you guys to think about.